What's up everybody, today we got a unboxing of a $1,000 mystery box right after this. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It's helping me on my goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. Also, exciting news is that I'm gonna be doing my first giveaway on this channel. So make sure to wait till the end of the channel to see how you can enter and how you can win. So just a quick recap on my last box. It was $2K, it only came with 5 pairs of shoes, and I've sold, I think, 3 of them so far, and this is how much I've made, and this is how much I have left to sell. So not really a lot of profit. I'm hoping I can make profit. But anyways, I'm hoping that this box is gonna be a lot better. This box comes from my friend over in Orange County. So shout out to you, Chris. We are going to be unboxing this. Like I said, it was actually $9.50 plus $50 to ship. So $1,000 total. So let's go ahead and dig right into this box. All right, so as you guys can see, it's kind of full. Hopefully you guys can see it. I did a terrible job my last time, but there it is. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so first up, I do see this Jordan box, size 9. He is a size 9 to 9.5, maybe 8.5 sometimes. So if that's your size, make sure to check out my Instagram at The Real Sneak Peek for the shoes that I'm selling. Make sure to DM me, leave me a comment. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is a Air Jordan Retro 8, size 9. All right, so it looks like we got a Jordan 8. I think this is the alternate colorway. So as you can see here, the soles are, pretty dirty, a little bit used. There's a little bit of creasing in the toe box, but other than that, it's pretty good to go. So if you're interested, size 9, we'll go for another Jordan box. Let's see what's up in this one. This one's a 9.5, Jordan 11 Retro Low. So, okay, so, we got this UNC 11 Low. It's perfect for the summertime, great bright colors. As you can see, the soles are a little dirty, a little yellow, but not too bad. The shoe definitely needs a cleanup, some scuffs on the patent leather, but it'll clean up pretty well, and hopefully we can, get a decent amount on these. All right, so up next, one of the big pain in the boxes type of box, but good for money, is a Jordan 11 box. It looks like these are gonna be the Gym Red, I think it's like Win Like 96 colorway. All right, so these are in really good condition actually. These look like they might have been worn a few times. As you can see here, the soles are dirty. They have a little bit of gunk on them, but we could always scrape that off, clean them up. A little bit of creasing, but that's normal for 11s. So overall, this is a pretty clean pair of shoes. If I didn't mention, this is a size 9.5. Sometimes people think they run small, but I don't know. I usually go true to size if I'm rocking 11s. Other people like a little bit more room because the patent leather sometimes feels that way. Alright, so I do see 3 more shoe boxes. This is a Yeezy 350, 9.5. I always forget how to pronounce this. Yashaya colorway, I think. I don't know, man. All these end up looking the same to me after a while. I mean, this looks, this is a dead stock pair. As you can see, the soles are, yellow, but that's how they come, but super clean. Got that see-through panel, and there's those dead stock tags, super clean. Super simple. Yeezys are easy to move. Everybody wants Yeezys still. It's also a good summer shoe. All right, 2 shoes left in this box. This is a size 9.5 Jordan 4 Retro. And we got a pair of the Bread 4s. Man, these are dusty. Chris, I don't know what you're doing with your shoes, but these are dusty. Alright, so as you can see, even though they might be dusty, they're still clean. I'm pretty sure maybe a lint roller will get them out, but as you can see, there's no heel drag, total star count still there. Everything seems to be intact, just dusty. So yeah, he was probably just displaying these, I'm guessing. So thanks again. This is a good shoe to move. And for the last shoe in the box, hopefully it's something to add to this counter, because these are all good shoes. They're all solid shoes. But I'm waiting for a banger, and so hopefully this Jordan 1 box won't let me down. Don't let this be a GR, please. So, as we can see here, there we go. There we go. We got a pair of the Royal Jordan 1s dead stock. So, this is size 9.5. These, alright, so quick story. So I bought like 20 pairs of these at one point when they first released, because I thought that they were going to skyrocket and jump to the moon and be at the price that they're at now. I think when you see them on the counter right here, they're probably like 400 bucks. So I thought I bought them all around like 220, 250, thinking that they're gonna jump up in price and that I'll make a lot of money, you know, 20 pairs, easy money, whatever. So I thought I was gonna make a lot of money, and they just kind of sat for the longest time. And it wasn't really until maybe the Last Dance documentary that these actually started shooting up in price. So gladly I have them now, but I'm so glad I got rid of all those pairs. I made a little bit of money on each one, but still, it wasn't really my greatest sneaker story. Got a 9.5 here. I don't know if these are gonna be for sale. I might wanna sit on them, maybe wait for the prices to keep going up. We'll see, because all the other Jordan ones, all the classic ones, they're going up, man. The Chicago's like 2K for a brand new pair. Bread 1s, like the ones I got right there, I love those shoes. Those are like dead stock now, it's like 1K. And so, you know, these are going for 400. Maybe they'll reach maybe 600, 700, maybe, I don't know. All right, so that's all we got for this box. All right, so for our giveaway, we're gonna be giving away a $200 gift card to either Champs, Foot Action, or Foot Locker. And how to enter is super simple. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and also comment down below what you want to buy from those stores. If you want an additional entry, go follow my Instagram, again, at The Real Sneak Peek. I'm gonna be posting a photo there, and make sure you follow my Instagram, you like that photo, and you tag one friend. That will get you one additional entry into this raffle. So I've been trying to upload every single Friday for you guys. Hopefully you've been enjoying the content. It's only been 3 weeks, but you know, I've been trying, I've been working hard, and hopefully you guys are excited, because next week on Friday, I'm dropping another mystery box for $3,000. So let's hopefully make some money on that. I'm trying some new angles, some new close-up shots when I'm describing the shoe, showing you the condition. Let me know if that's good in the comments down below. I thought it was a pretty good box. These shoes are pretty good, and they'll probably move pretty well, and I'm pretty sure I'm making some decent profit over here. So Chris, thank you for the box. I appreciate you, and join us next time here on Sneak Peek.